सर ये सब मतलब टेक्स्ट एडिटर में भी हो सकता है ना?
Text
ऐसा
editor
नहीं
means what? That is your notepad. Text editor means what? Notepad. Text editor,
अच्छा
example of text editor software is your notepad.
अच्छा
Okay, let's start our topic. Next topic, that is your heading in HTML. Heading in HTML. Heading in HTML. So in HTML, ठीक है, we can use 6 different levels of heading. We can use 6 different levels of heading. ठीक है, from H1 to H6. From H1 to H6. ठीक है, H1 has the largest side. H1 has the largest side and H6 has the smallest size. ठीक है, H1 has the largest side and H6 has the smallest side. If you want to give your heading, ठीक है ना, in larger size, ठीक है ना, तो maximum size, for maximum size we have to use H1, ठीक है ना, and for minimum size we use what? H6. ठीक है, H1 is the largest one. ठीक है, H2 is the smallest in compared to H1, H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is the smallest one. H6 is the smallest one. Clear to everyone? ठीक है, heading element is used to define heading. Heading element is used to define heading in our HTML document from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest one. H6 is the smallest one. ठीक है, and it is in decreasing order. It is in decreasing means ki the size of heading is in decreasing order from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest one and H6 is the smallest one. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am showing this on the desktop. You all have to check. ठीक है, let's see screen share.
डेस्कटॉप पे नहीं आ रहा था सर.
I will show.
आ गया सर.
Notepad, ठीक है, open your notepad.
यस सर.
ठीक है, increase this screen. Let's start your HTML. Then what we will use? Head.
बोर्ड.
Then
हेड.
what we will use?
टाइटल
टाइटल सर.
Title. Then give the title. What will be your title? Using
HTML डॉक्यूमेंट.
headings. Headings.
HTML document.
In
HTML डॉक्यूमेंट.
Close the title.
फॉरवर्ड स्लैश.
Don't talk. Title. Close the title. Close the what we have to close? Head. Okay. Then body. ठीक है, you want to use any you want to just if I want to just change the background of your web page, for that we use what? BG color attribute. BG color, check the spelling and check the process. BG color is which color we want?
ग्रीन.
Red. Let's see the use the red. ठीक है, then after H1 is the largest one ना, H1 like this you will use.
Yes.
ठीक है, click on title here also.
H1 क्यों यूज कर रहा है?
H1 to give the heading ना, to give the heading. Name of teachers. ठीक है, H1. ठीक है, Mr.
सर नेम ऑफ टीचर्स की जगह पे कुछ भी लिख
कुछ
सकते
भी,
हैं ना.
हाँ, you can use anything. Mr. Amit Singh.
बॉडी.
H1 close. Tell me the second teacher name. Tell me second teacher name.
UN Tiwari sir.
Mr.
पंकज गिरी सर.
Tiwari.
पंकज गिरी सर.
Mr. UN Tiwari. Another teacher name.
पंकज गिरी सर.
अरे
पंकज सर.
accept me.
पंकज सर.
Accept me.
कालिंदी मैम. कालिंदी मैम.
Kalindi.
कालिंदी मैम.
अरुण यादव सर। H3.
Close the S3. Then
Also sir.
अरुण यादव सर.
Mr. Arun Yadav.
अरुण सर. अरुण सर.
सुशील सर।
सर कोई टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं सर।
सत्यम चौबे, सत्यम चौबे, म्यूट योरसेल्फ, स्टूपिड। सत्यम चौबे, otherwise I will remove. H4 then what? What we have to
H5.
H5.
Also
ठीक है?
H5.
The name of your teacher?
SN वर्मा सर.
SN Verma.
SN Verma sir.
Verma. Close H5. H5 then?
Avani sir.
Avanish sir.
And
PNT Pathi sir.
Okay.
कामेश्वर तिवारी सर।
Manish Verma sir.
बर्नवाल.
H5. Close your H5.
H6 sir. H6.
Okay, okay.
H6.
Yes, yes.
sir अपना नहीं दीजिए।
कैपिटल लेटर और स्मॉल लेटर में लिख
Does not
सकते
matter.
हैं.
Does not matter. HTML is not your
Okay,
concern.
sir.
We know that it very well. We have to close your body now. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
Then after we have to close what? At the last we will close
HTML.
ठीक है?
HTML.
What is your next step? We have to save ना? ठीक है?
Yes
Choose the-
sir.
We have to choose the location desktop. We have to choose the location
Desktop.
desktop. ठीक है?
Desktop.
ठीक है? Give a extension. My
Class 10th.
teacher. My teachers. ठीक है?
.html.
Sir, my teachers list. No.
Dot
My teacher dot HTML.
ठीक है? My teacher dot html. ठीक है? Save. It is saved ना? It is saved
Yes
ना?
sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
You come to the desktop. Come on the desktop. Come on desktop. It is your web page. My teacher.
Sir.
ठीक है? What we have to do? Right click on it and choose the open option. ठीक है? Now it is. You can see your title. H1 largest one. H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. H1 is the largest one. H1 is the largest one, na?
Yes sir.
Then after H2, then H3, then H4, then H5, and at the last H6. H6 is the smallest one.
The smallest one.
Clear to
Yes
everyone, na?
sir.
Yes.
ठीक है ना? तो heading element is used to provide title, is used to set heading in our HTML document. If you want to set a
Document.
if you want to set heading, if you want to put a heading in your HTML document, for that we use what? Heading element. Total number of heading element is? Total number of heading elements? 6. ठीक है ना? By default H3. By default H3 is the heading element. Keep it in your mind, right? Note down anywhere. H3 is the by default. H3 is the by default heading. So note down anywhere. हाँ Sabya, mute yourself. S3 is by default. ठीक है ना? Heading element. So keep you will have to keep this thing in your mind. ठीक है? Let's see the one attribute of this of these heading elements. That is your aligning attribute. ठीक है? Aligning attribute. Aligning stands for. Tell me what is the full form of aligning?
Alignment.
हाँ, alignment. ठीक है, alignment, ठीक है, alignment that is used to set the position, that is used to set the position of text paragraph or where we used, ठीक है,
Statement.
it just set the alignment of your text, ठीक है. तो in HTML heading in HTML heading also we use alignment attribute. Let's see, LIGN, align, ठीक है ना. In short we will write align, ठीक है. If you want to make this heading in center, ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
center या center, ठीक है ना. Save it, ठीक है, and come to your web page. You will see there the changes. Amit Singh is in
सर
center.
गायब हो गया.
Amit Singh is
Yes,
in
sir.
center.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो by using align attribute we can set the position of your heading element. By using align attribute we can set
Alignment.
the position of we can set the position of your align.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि H3 पे आप align लिए हैं, वहाँ पे हम
H1,
H5 पे भी ले सकते हैं ना.
बिल्कुल. Let's see, align
Left. No, sir. Right.
Right, sir.
right RGST, ठीक है. Save and come to your web page and F5,
Yes sir.
ठीक है. You will see your attribute in this side. Mr. SN Verma is in right side. Clear to everyone?
Side. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, we can use four types of your alignment. By default we will get left. By default we will get left, ठीक है.
Left.
Left.
By default we get left, ठीक है. If you want to make any change means center, right side, and justify. One attribute also we have, that is your justify. That is your
Justify alignment.
Justify.
justify. Just see, align,
Justify.
justify, ठीक है. Save it and check. Justify is not working, ठीक है. Align, so we can use only center, right and left, ठीक है ना.
Left.
Not justify, ठीक है. Justify is not supporting here, ठीक है. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
By using align attribute we can set the position of
सर मैंने तो H1 में अलाइन में सेंटर दिया, तो ये सबको सेंटर में कर
नहीं
दिया.
नहीं, this is only for your Amit Singh, heading 1 only. This is for heading 1 only, ठीक है ना.
सर जिसको लिए उसी को
Just I have done. कर लिया.
हाँ. Clear to everyone?
एक को सेंटर मिला और सबको
Yes, sir.
सेंटर कर.
हाँ.
मैंने एक को H1 को only सेंटर मिली, ये
हाँ.
सबको सेंटर में कर दिया.
So for that we have to use H1 center tag. You have to use this tag, center, CENTER, ठीक है ना, like this. Sorry.
Yes.
If you want to make your whole text in center, for that, ठीक है, you will use their center, ठीक है, and close your tag like this. ठीक है. Save and check. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
ठीक है. So like this you will do. Clear to everyone?
सर अगर H5 को बड़ा करना चाहें तो कर सकते हैं ना.
H5, हाँ. For that we have to use font tag.
H.
For that we have to use font tag. Clear to everyone? Up to here. Up to here, that is your HTML. Heading in HTML is clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So move for your next topic. That is your paragraph tag. What is your coming? What is your next topic coming?
Paragraph tag.
Paragraph tag. ठीक है ना? So paragraph tag is used to mark the block of text. Is used to mark the block of text in a paragraph. Suppose that you have 4-5 lines. You have 4-5 lines. ठीक है? And want to make all that 4-5 lines in a single paragraph. In a single paragraph. For that we have to use what? Paragraph tag.
Graph.
For that we have to use paragraph tag. that is
Paragraph
like
tag.
P. ठीक है. And then after we have to write a sentence. ठीक है ना. We have to write a sentence. My name is Ram. My name is Ram. I am a student of क्लास
of class 10th.
10th, ठीक है. I am a student of
10th.
class 10th, ठीक है. I read in where?
देवस्थली विद्यापीठ.
विद्यापीठ, ठीक है. देवस्थली विद्यापीठ, देवस्थली देवस्थली देवस्थली
दसवीं का स्पेलिंग यस सर.
देवस्थली. Where it is? चिलकहर ना? चिलकहर बलिया, ठीक है ना. इट इज माई सेंटेंस, ठीक है. आई वांट टू मेक इट इन पैराग्राफ, ठीक है. तो क्लोज द पैराग्राफ टैग, ठीक है. P, ठीक है. सेव योर वर्क, ठीक है. इट इज सेव्ड. नाउ चेक ऑन योर.
अगर ये बैकवर्ड स्लैश लगा देंगे तो क्या होगा?
हाँ, यू विल सी
अगर बैकवर्ड स्लैश लगा देंगे तो
पैराग्राफ, ठीक है ना. इट इज इन योर पैराग्राफ. इट इज इन योर दिस टेक्स्ट आर इन योर पैराग्राफ, ठीक है ना. In paragraph tag also we can use alignment. In paragraph tag also we can use alignment like C P align, ठीक है. P align what? Right. RIGST, ठीक है ना. Save your work. Come to your web page. Check your detail. Now it is in the right side now. Your text is starting.
Yes,
from right side, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your text is.
सर लेफ्ट साइड में करके दिखाइए.
हाँ
लेफ्ट तो पहले था ही सर.
हाँ
बाय डिफॉल्ट तो लेफ्ट ही था.
no need to use any alignment. No need to use any alignment. If you are just if you are not using any alignment, it will show in your left side. Looking.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. If you want to make any change, then use your what? Align attribute. ठीक है. Align center. If you want to just see your paragraph in center, you just type center. ठीक है. You will see. Looking to everyone.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. By default you will get your left align, ठीक है. And if you want to change your alignment position of your paragraph, then we will give attributes, ठीक है ना. तो center you will see justify here. You will see justify here. Justify means fit to screen. Justify means what?
Fit to
Fit to
screen.
screen, ठीक है ना. You will see your change here, ठीक है ना. You will see, ठीक है ना. Justify, it is your fit, ठीक है. Fit to screen. So similarly,
Screen.
so it is your paragraph tag. So what is the use of paragraph tag? Paragraph tag is used to mark the
Mark the
block
of tag.
Mark the
Tag.
text block of text in a paragraph. ठीक है. If you want to just make your text in a paragraph, ठीक है, for that we use paragraph tag. For that we use what? Paragraph tag, ठीक है ना. Clear to everyone?
सर एक मिनट रुकिए.
ओके सर.
You can take the screenshot.
यस सर, स्क्रीनशॉट.
हो गया.
Try to take the screenshot every time, not to write. It will take time.
स्क्रीनशॉट हो गया.
सर हो गया.
Okay. Clear to everyone na? Paragraph tag. Attribute is also clear to everyone. All are not giving what you can say the response. Only 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Always
sir.
2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone have to write. Okay, I am just taking name today.
सर आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
What are you saying? My voice is very low, student.
No, sir.
Take your internet connection.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Check your internet connection. Check your internet connection. If my voice is not clearly going, then check your internet connection. Aditya Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
You are listening, na?
Yes, sir.
You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Dipanshu 6671. Mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
You are getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
My topic is clear. Your topic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is this? Kartavya Singh 9140. Kartavya Singh. Talk to me, Kartavya.
Yes, sir.
Topic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is this? Madhuri. 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 Talk to me, Madhuri. Madhuri. Not giving any response. Vishal Samrat. Vishal Samrat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Topic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Swetanjali. Swetanjali.
Yes, sir.
Topic is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Syam Chaurasia. Syam Chaurasia, talk to me. Give me response. Syam Chaurasia. Syam Chaurasia, unmute yourself. Syam Chaurasia. Not getting. Sahnawaz Sheikh. Sahnawaz Sheikh.
Yes, sir.
Sahnawaz.
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
You are understanding topics na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, Ronak 9212.
Yes, sir.
Topics are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Nikhil Tiwari. Nikhil Tiwari. Nikhil Tiwari, give me reply.
Yes, sir.
Topics are clear.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes. Who is this? Jyotika. Topics are clear.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now it's okay. Okay, I can understand you all are getting my points. Okay, you all are just clearing your topics. So now next topic is your BR tag. Next tag is your what? BR tag. Okay, next topic is your what? BR tag. I am writing here only. Okay, for the to define BR tag. Okay, BR tag is used to break the line. BR tag is used to break the line. Okay, if you want to break your line, okay, and start your text from the next line, for that we use what? BR tag. For that we use BR tag. It is an empty tag. It is an empty tag. Empty tag means
No ending tag.
there will be no any closing tag.
Only opening tag.
Only opening tag you can see. Okay, so it is your BR tag. And it is used to change the line. It is used to change the line, or you can say that it is used to break the
line.
Okay, and start the text from the next line. And start the text from the next line.
Next line.
And without giving any space. Without giving any space between two lines. Okay, without giving any space between two lines. In paragraph, you will get one space between two lines. In paragraph, you will get what? Space
one space.
But in BR case we will not get any space between two lines. Okay, it is the difference between BR and paragraph tag. Getting what I am saying? Okay,
yes,
if
sir.
we are using paragraph tag, okay na? So in paragraph tag will not show any what space. Paragraph tag gives the space between two lines. Okay, but whenever we use BR tag, so it does not give any space between two lines. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am showing. Okay, just see.
Yes.
BR. I am using here BR tag. Okay, na? Here also. Here also I am using BR tag. Now save your work. Okay. Okay. BR and BR means line breaks na in both places.
Yes, sir.
My name is Ram.
Yes, sir.
Line breaks. Okay, I am a student of class 10. Line breaks. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, by
Yes,
using
sir.
you can use your what? BR tag and paragraph tag. So is there any confusion in between these two tags, BR tag and paragraph tag?
No,
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So tell me the difference between paragraph tag and BR tag.
In BR tag, there is no space between two lines. In
Very good.
paragraph tag, there is
Space
space between two
हाँ,
lines.
one line space between two lines. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we had discussed the align attribute also. ठीक है? Here is given one center tag. Center tag. ठीक है? Center tag is used to mark the text. Mark the whole text. Mark the whole enclosed text in a center. In center. Just see. If you want to just make your text in center, for that we use what? Center tag like this, CENTER. CENTER. ठीक है ना? It is your closing tag. It is your what? Closing. Tag.
Closing tag.
So we will close our text also. Center. ठीक है? Center start and center close. It is your center and it is your center. ठीक है? Save your work. Control. What is the shortcut key to save our work?
Control plus S.
Plus S. We can use Control S also, or we will move to the file menu and save option. ठीक है?
File menu and
And
save.
save. ठीक है?
Exit option is also.
Your text is in in center na?
Center.
All
Yes,
text are in
sir.
center.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? तो it is the benefit of your center tag. ठीक है? It just centralized all the text. ठीक है ना? All the text ठीक है in center.
तो एक HR टैग भी होता है ना, सेपरेट ऑफ ब्लॉक.
We will study later on. Center tag is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt to anyone?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Center. So today we had discussed what heading in HTML, paragraph tag, CR tag,
Paragraph
center tag.
BR and center tag. Line
Center tag
BR
also.
tag.
What is the use of center tag? What is the use of center
Center tag
tag?
is used to
Align to
centralize
fix
the
the
text.
center of the
Used to
page.
mark all the
ठीक है ना? Centralize the
sentence in the
text. ठीक है ना? Whatever
whole
is
text,
given.
whole text.
Whatever is given in between opening center tag and closing center.
Closing center tag.
Whatever is given in between opening tag center tag and closing tag center tag. ठीक है? It is used for the single sentence also. Just see. We can use. ठीक है? Just cut from here. Or single sentence also. It is not compulsory to. It is not compulsory कि just close on the entirely. ठीक है ना? तो it is your center ना? Center starting
Yes,
and
sir.
center close. For one line only. For one line I am using here. So then Control S. ठीक है? Come to your web
Save.
page. Come to your web page. Only one sentence is just is in center na?
Yes, sir.
Rest is in
Left.
left side. Rest is in left side.
Left side.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? तो we have to make sure कि the text which is in closing starting tag and closing tag, that text only centralized. Yes.
सर आई एम ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 10th, वहाँ पे भी हम लोग सेंटर को क्लोज कर दे तो वो भी अलग हो जाएगा
हाँ,
क्या?
हाँ.
मतलब सेंटर में आ जाएगा क्या?
हाँ. Just see.
अच्छा.
Just copy from here. I'm not copying. I'm just taking the cuts. Then Control V. ठीक है? Now save. Come to your web page. Looking?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर तो हो रहा है ये कम हो रहा है.
हाँ? Clear to everyone ना?
Yes, sir.
तो यदि हमें
Yes,
आईडी
sir.
वाइज स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 10 को ही सेंटर में लेना होगा तो उसकी स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग में सेंटर लगाएंगे।
हाँ, just see control X,
सर
put your center here, save your work, ठीक है, like this, ठीक है।
सर मैं ये नहीं बोल रही, ये बोली ना माय नेम इज दिव्या वर्मा, उसके बाद से आई एम ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 10, दोनों को सेंटर में करना हो तो दोनों जगह लिखना पड़ेगा।
ना 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 ना, नो नीड टू राइट इन बोथ प्लेसेस, ठीक है। जस्ट enclose your text, ठीक है ना, in between center tag starting and center tag closing, put your text in between both tags, both elements you can say, ठीक है, and you will see your text will be centralized. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt to anyone?
No, sir. Sir.
Vikas Singh, unmute yourself. Vikas Singh.
Yes, sir.
Topics
Yes,
are
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And Anand Kumar Singh, this boy, Anand. God know what is the problem. Ankur Singh 7592. Ankur Singh 7592. Unmute yourself. Ankur, unmute yourself. Admission number 7592. Unmute yourself. You don't know how to unmute yourself. Okay, no issue. Means maximums are getting. Well, student, it is well enough for today. Okay, in tomorrow topic we will discuss about the formatting, text formatting. Text formatting, not formatting only. Text formatting. So study yourself.
Text formatting.
Text formatting. How will we just format the text? Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. ठीक है. Take care of yourself. Keep study, everyone. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Any question? Yes.
नो सर।
Sir, name of computer book.
Oh, you don't have a computer book till now, eh?
Yes, sir.
It is your computer book.
Computer application.
Computer application. Ask your bookseller for computer application. Computer application. By Sumita Arora. Sumita Arora is the writer. Sumita Arora. Sumita Arora. SUMITA. Sumita Arora is the writer of your book.
ARORA.
Arora. Sumita Arora.
What is cost of this book?
Clear to everyone?
475. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, bye bye. Take care. Keep study, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.